In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete WhatsApp messages permanently. If you do find this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is going to work on both Android and iPhone, so it doesn't matter which device you're on. And if you've sent a message that you regret, whether it's in a group chat or on a one-on-one conversation, here's how you can actually go ahead and delete it. First, find whatever message you want to remove, go ahead and open it up, and go ahead and select it just by holding down on it just like so. On iPhone, a menu is going to appear immediately. On Android, after selecting that message, tap the three dots up in the top right, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Essentially, you're going to want to go ahead and select delete, and then hit this little delete icon again, and in this option, if the other person has not seen it yet, you're going to see an option to delete for everyone. If they have already seen it, simply go ahead and select delete for me. Just keep in mind you only have about 48 hours after sending the message to delete it for everyone. After that, you can still delete it, but it's only going to delete for you. And it does depend on if they've seen it or not. But yeah, really it's as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.